Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Hello guys. Today I'm going to show you top 5 best dash cam for commercial vehicles. Get Nexar on the market in this year with budget friendly. Get ready for an in-depth review that'll help you decide if this gadget lives up to the hype. Check the link in the description. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates. So let's start. Number 1. Rove Dash Cam, revolutionizing safety for commercial vehicles with Nexar technology. Capture every moment on the road in stunning clarity. With Rove, your journey becomes a visual masterpiece, offering unrivaled protection and peace of mind. Navigate confidently through traffic, record crystal clear footage, and relish seamless connectivity. Elevate your driving experience with Rove, the ultimate companion for commercial drivers who demand excellence. Safety redefined, innovation unveiled. Rove Dash Cam with Nexar, because your voyage deserves brilliance. Number 2. Nexar Dash Cam, the ultimate road companion for commercial vehicles. Elevate your safety with the advanced technology of Nexar integration. Capture every moment in stunning detail, ensuring security and accountability on the go. From crystal clear footage to seamless data transfer, Nexar empowers your journey with confidence. Stay protected, stay connected, experience the future of dash cams today. Number 3. Revolutionize your fleet's safety with Nexar's exceptional dash cam. Tailored for commercial vehicles, Nexar boasts unrivaled features that redefine road protection. Capture crystal clear footage in any light, ensuring every detail is secured. Its seamless cloud integration guarantees real-time updates and instant sharing. Experience peace of mind as Nexar becomes your silent co-pilot, safeguarding your journey mile by mile. Elevate your fleet management game, choose Nexar today and drive with confidence. Number 4. Asdome Dash Cam. Tailored for commercial vehicles like a glove, this sleek gadget captures every road moment with razor-sharp precision. Say goodbye to blurry shots and hello to crystal clear evidence. Equipped with Nexar technology, it's your silent co-pilot, safeguarding your journey mile by mile. From bustling cityscapes to open highways, Asdome has your back, ensuring your peace of mind on the road. Elevate your driving experience today with the ultimate road companion. Number 5. King Slim does it again. Automobile dashing away, introducing the ultimate road companion for commercial vehicles, the King Slim Dash Cam. Say goodbye to worries on the road with its top-notch Nexar integration. Seamlessly record every journey with crystal clear clarity, ensuring safety and accountability. From bustling cityscapes to open highways, this dash cam is a game changer. It's not just a gadget, it's a guardian angel for your wheels. Elevate your driving experience with King Slim, where innovation meets reliability. In conclusion, when it comes to the best dash cam for commercial vehicles, Nexar stands out as the ideal choice. With its advanced features and reliable performance, it offers unparalleled security and peace of mind. Thanks for watching.